Well, welcome back to Steve Rob Reviews. I'm going to save you 10 grand. Let's get to it right now. There we go. How was that? Let's get to part 2. Is that good or is that good? Ready? Part 2. There you go, right there. Okay, so let's take a look at this right here. Right here, you just saved yourself $10,000. You guys are wondering, how's that happen? Well, I'll tell you what. All you have to do is when you're younger, go and buy these two products. This one here is called the Peanut. I think I paid $20 for it. And I bought both of these in 1999, but I think it's around 2002. Both around 20 bucks. So, how do you save 10 grand? Guys, if you're starting today and you're in your 20s and you don't mind having a nice fancy hairdo like this, well, you know what? You can save yourself 10 grand easy. All you do, instead of going to the barber, get one of these kits, and if you like your hair a little bit longer, of course, they have the tips that just kind of snap in and out. Your hair can be longer or shorter, whatever you prefer, right? And how much are you paying now when you go to the barber? I don't know. I haven't been in that many years. Like, I bet you it's been 25 years since I started doing this. And up here in Canada, I'm just guessing 20 bucks. Every time you go 20 bucks, how often do you go to the barber? You guys do the math. You figure it out. And yes, over a lifetime, if you just get yourself a nice jar, and every time you would have gone to the barber, some people go every 6 weeks. Take that money, put it into a jar. By the time you're my age, you're going to have 10 grand to play with. There you go. It's so easy as that. A lot of you might say, well, you cheap bugger, you cutting your own hair. You know what? It's not how much money you make. It's what you do with what you have and how to save. You know, a penny saved is a penny earned. Yes, I do all my own oil changes. I do all my own automotive repairs. I do as much as I can to save myself money. Cutting your own hair, it's worth it. You will save 10 grand in the long run. So thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, you know what? Give it a try. Give it a go. You want to look like this? Cheers.